Hey guys, welcome to This, That, and More. My name is Jackie Pagan. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Today's video is going to be about cleaning my dining room and decorating it for the new season. I hope that you subscribe and I see you in my next video. Guys, welcome back to my channel, This, That, and More. I wanted to show you what my dining room looked like right before I do the cleaning. In this corner here, I have some of the trees that I had decorated with Christmas and some plates from my table setup, but I'm going to put that away in just a moment. I have a mess on this table. We have medicine, we have water, we have a whole bunch of things because we fortunately had COVID right after Christmas and was out of commission for almost 2 weeks, so you see a mess. But on the corner over there, I have my mop, my broom. I am ready to clean this house. I even still have my Christmas gift on the floors right there, which actually I got the Cricut from my husband, so I'm excited for that. And then my husband got a little piano over there, so I'm just ready to get this house back in order and to clean this. So let's go ahead and move forward, and I'm going to show you how I clean this dining room and get it ready for the next season.
I just wanted to let you know a little bit of information here. I live in Florida, so I really don't have a winter per se. However, I like the winter season decor. So I am decorating my home, or I don't want to use the word decorating, and let me change that. I am well, it is decorating, so I guess that's the right word. I am decorating my home with my normal decor, and then I am just incorporating here and there winter items so that it can still feel like the winter season in my home, but it is not that that is my focal point. So you're going to see that throughout the house, I will be incorporating the winter items like the trees and deers and owls, just to make it feel wintry. But it is a addition to my decor. It is not my main focal point. And again, it makes me feel like I have winter here in Florida, so I love that idea. You know that the items that I am using in the shelves and in this video are all items that I actually use for Christmas, but they are items that also give that winter vibe, so that is why I am using them again. But I did not purchase anything new to decor the house with. I'm just using the items for my Christmas decor. Well guys, we are at the end of the video. This is how my dining room looks after the extreme cleaning and after the decor for the winter season. I hope that you like this video and that it looks beautiful to me, and I hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe before you leave. Again, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.